Today we're going to talk about prokaryotic DNA replication. We're going to start right here with our DNA, or our origin of replication, also known as the ori-c. Right here we have it up close. This is our replication bubble and the origin of replications on either end. And we have our replication forks. There would be one on this end and also one right here, but we're going to focus on this one. So here it is up close. We have our 5' end and our 3' end. So because RNA is produced by RNA polymerase in the 5' to 3' direction, and DNA was replicated from 3' to 5', we can identify that we have our leading strand down here and our lagging strand up here. Okay, so, and this would be 3' and 5' and 5', 3' for all of those. So to start off with, we're going to take helicase, which comes in this way, into the replication fork, and it's going to unwind our replication even more, and that causes torsional stress on our DNA. So we take gyrase, which comes here, and it cuts our DNA, relieves the torsional stress, and the DNA is all better. So what the helicase does is it breaks the hydrogen bonds in the DNA molecules. So it comes down here, this is our 3' and 5' end, and it cuts like that. And these are our phosphodiester bonds that link the nucleotides together, which is basically the backbone of our DNA. So to start the replication process, we take RNA primase, and it binds at the 3' end, 3' end, and it allows our DNA polymerase 3 to bind here and replicate. The DNA polymerase needs a 3' OH to bind to. So the DNA polymerase comes here, creates the DNA, and next we have our DNA polymerase 1. It comes, removes the primase, and fills it in with more DNA. So this is removed, and that's removed too. Lastly, we'll have our ligase come, and it will seal all of the nicks in the Okazaki fragments. These segments are all called Okazaki fragments that make up the lagging strand. So, this is now all one continuous strand. Lastly, we have our single-stranded binding proteins, which help keep the replication fork open while all of this is happening.